Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create circle text box in Microsoft Publisher document. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show create circle text box. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a shape option. Now choose a oval shape. Now for then create a shape. Now going to the forward point option, then click for a shape fill option. Now click for no fill option. Then click for a shape outline. Now click for black color and click for weighted option. Now click for 150. Then click for a create circle text box. Now click for a mouse right button. Then click for a add text option. Now create a text. That it's. Then we show circle text box create is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.